Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable autoplay in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So if you don't want a certain media like audio or videos to play automatically, or perhaps you don't want them to start automatically when you access such web page, and then I'll show you how to turn that on or off. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang yung 3-line icon. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito lang sa general, and then next ay select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at hanapin natin din dito yung permissions. Alright, so dito sa permissions, under nito ay select mo lang dito yung autoplay. So dito sa right side ay click mo lang itong settings. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung settings autoplay. Alright, so dito sa default for all websites, so i-click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then nandito yung mga optional settings na pwede natin i-select na allow audio or video, block audio or block audio and video. So select ka lang dito as enable or disable. So, dito naman sa website, makikita mo dito mga kaibigan, and then dito sa kanyang status. So, nandito yung option settings din na pwede natin gawin. So, click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then, pwede ka na mag-allow audio or video, block audio or block audio and video. And then, pwede mo itong i-remove websites or remove all websites. And then, next ay click mo lang itong save changes. So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable autoplay in Mozilla Firefox web browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.